Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about do while loop in C++ programming. The do while loop is used to repeatedly execute portion of the code, and the syntax is first we have the do keyword and one block of code, and after that we have the while keyword, and inside the parentheses we have the condition, and we have to close that statement with one semicolon at the end. So as long as the condition is true, then the body of the loop will be executed repeatedly. The do while loop is used where the loop should execute at least once, because at the beginning of the loop the body of the loop will be executed first, and then the condition is checked to decide whether the body of the loop to execute again or not. The do while loop is called exit control loop because the condition is at the exit of the loop. So entry is always allowed, and then the condition is checked for the exit, and this is why the do while loop is called the exit control loop. So in this example program we are going to create one do while loop and print the numbers from 1 to 5. So first of all we are going to create one integer variable I and assign it the value 1, and then I'm going to write the do while loop. So first we have the do keyword and we have one block of code, and in every iteration I'm gonna print the value of the variable I along with one space, and also I'm gonna increase the value of the variable in every iteration. And after that we have the while keyword and one condition, and the condition is I less than equal 5. So as long as the condition is true, then the loop will continue to iterate, and you have to close that with one semicolon at the end. So first of all we have initialized the variable I with the value 1, and then we have the do keyword followed by one block of code, and this block of code will be repeatedly executed, and in every iteration it will print the value of the variable I, and also it is going to increase the value by 1. And then we have the while keyword, and inside the parentheses we have the condition I less than equal 5. So as long as the condition is true, then the body of the loop will be repeatedly executed. So in the first iteration it will print the value of the variable I, so it will print 1, and then the condition is checked. Because the condition is true, so it will reiterate and again execute the body of the loop, and in the next iteration the value of I will be 2, so it will print 2 onto the console, and this way it will continue to print the numbers from 1 to 5, and at the end of the program we are going to have the output 1 to 5 printed onto the console. So now I'm going to save this program and I'm going to run the program, and you can see the output. We have printed the numbers from 1 to 5. So this way we can use the do while loop to repeatedly execute portion of the code, and the do while loop is used where the portion of the code must be executed at least once. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.